Upgrading your windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your home. For Green Cove Springs residents, where Florida's heat, humidity, and storms put homes to the test, new windows not only enhance comfort but also increase energy efficiency and protection. If you're considering this project, you may be wondering, what exactly happens during professional window installation? Here's a clear guide to help you know what to expect from start to finish. Initial consultation and assessment. Every successful installation begins with a thorough consultation. Measurements. Professionals take precise measurements of your window openings to ensure a perfect fit. Style and material selection. You'll discuss options such as double-hung, casement, or picture windows, along with frame materials like vinyl or fiberglass that perform well in Florida's climate. Energy efficiency recommendations. Installers will likely suggest low-E glass or insulated panes to help combat Green Cove Springs' heat and humidity. This step ensures you choose windows that meet your comfort, efficiency, and design goals. Preparing your home for installation. A little preparation goes a long way in making installation day stress-free. Clear pathways. Move furniture, blinds, and curtains away from windows to give the crew room to work. Protect valuables. Cover nearby items to keep them safe from dust and debris. Safety for pets and kids. Keep them away from work areas for their protection and to allow installers to work efficiently. These steps help the installation team focus on their work while keeping your home organized. Removing the old windows. The first step on installation day is carefully taking out your old windows. Safe removal. Professionals detach the glass, frames, and sashes without damaging surrounding walls. Inspection. Once removed, the frame and opening are checked for rot, mold, or water damage. Repairs if necessary. Any issues are fixed before the new windows are installed to ensure a strong foundation. This preparation is critical for ensuring your new windows perform as designed. Installing the new windows. Now comes the exciting part, setting your new windows in place. Precise placement. Each window is positioned, leveled, and adjusted for smooth operation. Sealing and insulation. Foam, caulking, and weather stripping are applied to block drafts, heat, and moisture. Hardware installation. Locks, latches, and handles are installed and tested for durability and security. Professional installers take their time to make sure every window fits snugly and looks polished. Finishing touches and cleanup. After the windows are installed, the team completes the finishing details. Trim and molding. Interior and exterior trims are adjusted or replaced to ensure a seamless look. Final sealing. Extra care is given to weatherproofing, especially important in Florida's storm-prone climate. Cleanup. The crew removes old windows, packaging, and debris, leaving your home neat and tidy. This step ensures your new windows are functional, attractive, and ready to enjoy. Walkthrough and homeowner guidance. Before the job is complete, your installer will review everything with you. Operation demonstration. They'll show you how to open, close, and lock your new windows. Maintenance tips. Guidance on cleaning and caring for your windows will be provided to keep them performing for years. Warranty information. You'll receive details about both product and installation warranties for peace of mind. This final step ensures you're confident in using and maintaining your new investment. Final thoughts. For Green Cove Springs homeowners, professional window installation is more than just a project. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term protection. From consultation and preparation to careful removal, expert installation, and final walkthrough, professionals handle every detail to deliver lasting results. By knowing what to expect, you can prepare with confidence and look forward to all the benefits new windows bring. Lower energy bills, improved comfort, enhanced curb appeal, and greater protection against Florida's challenging climate.